Anyway, I now call this meeting to order, and can we have a roll call?
Chaplin. Here. Desart. Here. Hart.
Here.
Ozak.
Here.
Tornatori.
Here.
Zay.
Here.
Okay, do we have any public comment today? No. All right. Next, I'm going to move to approve the minutes of our meeting, May 3rd, 2022.
Second.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay. All right, next budget transfers. I move for approval of the first budget transfer, $13,300, transfer needed for employee medical and hospital insurance. And second? Second from member Desart. Any comments or questions? Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, next, budget transfer, $16,100, transfer needed for IT services, mileage for travel expense, and WaterCon conference.
Second.
Second, okay. Any comments, discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Thank you. Next, Public Works, budget transfer, $94,570. Transfer needed for wireless communications for AT&T, repair and maintenance, auto equipment, rental machinery and equipment, medical, dental, lab supplies.
Second.
Okay, and all in favor?
Aye.
And then Public Works, budget transfer, $18,444. Transfer needed for flexible benefit earning for employee health insurance, wearing apparel reimbursement for employee clothing, repair and maintenance systems for Knollwood leak repairs, dues and memberships, and wastewater training classes and WaterCon conference.
Second.
Okay, second, all in favor?
Aye.
All right, next we have consent items, and I would like to move to combine items A through K.
Sure.
Okay. All right, now I'd like to move to approve items A through K. Item A, a change order, Yona Mechanical, YMI Group, contract close. Wingren Landscape Incorporated, contract close. PPG Architectural Finishes, contract close. Nicor Gas, contract close. Mansfield Power and Gas LLC, contract close. NCAP Incorporated, contract close. Warehouse Direct, contract closed. Warehouse Direct, contract canceled. ComEd, contract closed. Change order, City of Wheaton, contract closed. Change order, J. Condon, sewer service, time extension greater than 30 days, no change to contract total amount.
Second.
Okay, and all in favor?
Aye.
Thank you. Next, I move to accept payment of claims report for Public Works and Facilities Management.
So moved. Or second.
Second, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, moving on to bid awards. I move for approval of PWP 016722. Recommendation for the approval of a contract to Groot Incorporated to provide refuse disposal and recycling for DuPage County Public Works facilities for Public Works for the period June 1st, 2022 through May 31st, 2024 for a contract total amount not to exceed $126,000 per lowest responsible bid. Any comments or questions about this? Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, next, approval. I move for approval of FMP 016622. Recommendation for the approval of a contract to Groot to provide refuse disposal, recycling, and asbestos pickup services for DuPage County facilities for facilities management for the period June 1st, 2022 through May 31st, 2024 per contract total amount not to exceed $245,187.79 per lowest responsible bid. Second. All in favor?
Aye.
I just have a quick question, if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Chair. Do we still have a lot of asbestos? Whenever I see the word asbestos, it's like a red flash.
We, in the 421, we do. And asbestos is throughout the ceiling. And so whenever we get up into the ceiling, we have to take the appropriate measures and mitigate it. Yes.
All right, thank you.
Oh, I have a question.
Mr. Zay.
Thank you. Are we taking this to the West Chicago facility? Does it specify where it's going to go?
That's a good question as far as where the transfer facility is. I mean, I know that when we put it out to bid, we will check on that for you and make sure and figure out what the routing is. I'm assuming it does go through West Chicago because I know the discussion of, does it go through Cook County, but we will, we'll check with Groot and see. I'll have that answer before Finance and Board.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay, all in favor of bid award B?
Aye.
Okay, bid renewal. I move for approval of 2022-53. Excuse me. Recommendation for the approval of a contract to S&K Building Services to provide window washing services for county facilities for facilities management for the period May 25th, 2022 through April 30th, 2024, for a total contract amount not to exceed $29,732 per lowest responsible bid. I have a second from Member Chaplin. Any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, contract increase. I move for approval a change order, PWP 0430A21. Amendment to Resolution PWP 043021, issued to Standard Equipment to purchase a Vector 2100 plus combination sewer cleaner for Public Works to increase the contract in the amount of $26,165, taking the original contract amount of $485,665 and resulting in an amended contract total amount not to exceed $511,830, an increase of 5.39%. Second. Any comments, questions? All in favor? Okay, thank you. Next, we have a couple of requests for travel. I move for approval of authorization for overnight travel. One request. Authorization is requested to have one facilities management staff member attend interdisciplinary professional program course RA 00263 C419 testing, adjusting and balancing in Madison, Wisconsin, June 19th, 2022 through June 24th, 2022, for an approximate cost not to exceed $3,078. The course will offer certification in efficient operation of commercial HVAC systems through a working knowledge of TAB. The aim is to reduce our operating energy costs and improve the comfort and productivity of our building occupants by properly balancing our HVAC, air, and water systems. Any comments, questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, thank you. Next, I move to accept as informational Resolution FIR 021722. First Amendment to Resolution FIR 016817, the intergovernmental agreement between the County of DuPage, the DuPage County Emergency Telephone System Board, and the DuPage Public Safety Communications regarding the construction, maintenance, and lease of a public communications facility pending ETSB approval. I have a second. All in favor?
Aye.
Next, moving on to old business. Right now, I'd like to turn this over to Tim Harbaugh. Are you there, Tim?
I am. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, thank you, Tim.
Okay. I just wanted to let the committee know that this is Laura Groby's last meeting. She is retiring after I should do the math, about 11 years of service. I wanted to thank her. She has really been the glue for everything we've done for longer than I've been here. She will be missed terribly, but we wish her a happy retirement. And I was hoping that Nick could introduce Kathy to you.
Why don't you both, Kathy and Laura, why don't you guys both stand up? So, first of all, Laura, I would like to say thank you for, obviously you've been far more than just facilities management. You've helped across the county. I'd like to thank you for everything you've done and the 11 years. So thank you. You want
Thank you. It's been a really good experience for me working here. I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed everything that facilities is involved with. I mean, the construction that we do. I love this campus. So I'm very happy and proud to say I've worked here.
And Laura has helped select the replacement as well. So if you'd like to introduce, go ahead.
Okay, Mrs. Campbell. Building and zoning, and even originally from finance. So she's got a really great background for working in facilities. We've been working together for the last couple of weeks, and you're going to say, Laura, who?
I can tell you, Kathy has her background and her knowledge of county policies, procedures is instrumental, and especially with what we have unprecedented, the amount of building projects we have in facilities management over the next couple of years. Kathy's expertise is going to be very, very beneficial. I'll tell you that Sam, unfortunately, from building and zoning standpoint, Jim was very kind. He's like, can we at least have some crossover? So absolutely, we never leave anybody, but great addition to the department. And I mean, obviously huge shoes to fill. So thank you both for what you're doing.
One more thing, if I could add, when I started, the office staff was 5. With Laura's leadership, we reduced the head count -1. We went to 4, which is 20% reduction. That's pretty impressive. With the efficiency that she was able to put together, it's been great.
And I want to welcome Kathy, and Laura, I want to wish you all the best in your retirement. That's a wonderful R word. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tim. Does anyone else have any other old business? Okay, hearing none, any new business? No new business. I'm going to move to adjourn.
Second.
Thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
Thank you.